Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your TikTok app. To know how to fix or how to solve TikTok problem, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, you will click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page, you will search about the application of TikTok and you will enter. When you'll find this page of app info, sorry, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your phone. You'll wait 3 seconds and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem you have on TikTok app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.